Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming the router model and firmware so settings match later. Make sure you have a ladder, tape, an Ethernet cable, and a Wi-Fi analyzer app. Open the analyzer and record signal strengths in each primary room. This gives you a baseline to compare. Once done, unplug non-critical devices and label cables for easier reconnection. Then power off the router safely and disconnect WAN and LAN cables. You're now ready to try new locations with a clean starting point. You should test a few candidate locations. Central and elevated positions typically work best, and you want to keep the router away from metal cabinets, microwaves, and cordless phones. Plug the router into a temporary power source and run the Wi-Fi analyzer and a speed test at each location while keeping your main devices in typical use. Make sure to move antennas to optimize coverage. Perpendicular orientation helps multi-floor distribution, and log speed and signal for each spot so you can compare objectively before fixing the. You now secure the router where tests showed the best balance of speed and coverage. Mount it, reconnect WAN and LAN cables, and restore power. Afterward, run final speed and coverage tests in every important room to confirm improvement. If you changed hardware or moved far, you may need to update the SSID or passwords so devices reconnect smoothly. If coverage is still poor, try changing the channel, updating firmware, or temporarily adding an extender. Those steps resolve most remaining issues if moving the router wasn't enough.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.